our third annual Surf Happens Blind Fitness Surf Clinic. We have an amazing group of athletes here with all different levels of vision loss. Some have never surfed before, some have been out surfing, and they're here for the community.
No time to be standing still. Make your move for someone else.
As a parent, it warms my heart, and it's always great to see the inclusion and to have people understand what it's like to be in a little bit different world. Walking out towards the water.
That door you're looking through is a wild world staring back at you.
I'm Audrey. I'm here with Wayfinder and Blind Fitness Surfing, and I have had a really great time. This is my second year.
Go on, get in there.
Spirit is super psyching. We're so happy. It's the third annual Blind Fitness Surf Day. We're at Santa Claus Lane, Carpinteria.
Get a good look with your own eyes. Good to be your own guide. The wild world is lit outside.
I'm out here surfing in Santa Barbara with Wayfinder and Blind Fitness. It's a lot of fun. I've been able to get like 6 rides so far.
Go on, get in there.
I don't know, something so powerful about actually being a volunteer today that I get to be in the mix. We brought our surfing dog poncho